Today I'm going to show you how to remove or hide products count from Woocommerce. This is useful if you want a cleaner look for your online store without displaying how many products are in each category. Let's get started. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, we need to access the theme editor. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. This will expand to show you several options. From these options, click on Editor. This is where you'll be able to make customization changes to your site's appearance and styling. Now you're on the Page Editor screen. Direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll see various options for editing your site. Click on Styles. This section controls all the visual aspects of your WordPress theme. Once you're in the Styles tab, look for the three-dot icon located at the top part of your Styles menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down appear from this drop-down. Select Additional CSS. This is where we'll add custom code to hide the product count. You're now in the code editor where we can input custom CSS. Here's where we'll actually remove or hide the products count from WooCommerce. I'll be flashing a line of code on screen that you need to paste into this editor. Feel free to pause the video to copy the code accurately. Once you've pasted the code, look at the bottom left part of the screen. You'll see a button that says Review 1 Changes. This is a confirmation button for the code we just added. Click on it and then simply click on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed or hidden the products count from your WooCommerce store. Your category pages will now display without showing the number of products in each section, giving your store a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.